Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ConvertKit forms from your site step by step clearly. To uninstall ConvertKit forms from your site, begin by logging into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the Forms section on the dashboard. Locate the form you wish to uninstall. Click on the form to open its settings. In the Form settings, find the Embed tab. Copy the embed code associated with the form. Now, go to your website's content management system, such as WordPress or another platform you're using. Access the page or post where the ConvertKit form is embedded. Switch to the HTML or code editing mode on your website. Search for the ConvertKit embed code you copied earlier. Once located, remove the entire embed code from the HTML. Save or update the changes to the page or post. Next, return to your ConvertKit account. If you want to permanently delete the form, go back to the Forms section. Select the form you just uninstalled again. Click on the Settings icon or the three-dot menu. Choose the option to delete the form. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Your ConvertKit form has now been successfully uninstalled from your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.